The old journalism used to try to give an objective picture of a situation by giving the pro and the con. Objective journalism meant giving both sides at once. It was strangely assumed that there were two sides to every case. It never occurred to them there might be 40 sides or 1,000 sides. No, two sides, pro and con. And suddenly this form of journalism disappeared, and the new journalism popped in, represented by Truman Capote, Norman Mailer, and many others, Tom Wolfe. The new journalism doesn't give you any side. It just immerses you in the feeling of the whole situation. So it just plunges you into the feeling of being at the convention or being at the fire, being somewhere. And it began with that famous phrase, something funny happened on the way to the forum. A happening is not a point of view. A happening is all sides at once and everybody involved in it. A Mardi Gras is a happening. You cannot have objective journalism about Mardi Gras. You just have to immerse. Well, Mailer was one of the authors of the new journalism of immersion without any point of view, no objectivity, just subjectivity, and he subheaded his Armies of the Night, fiction as history, history as fiction. So the new journalism, quite frankly, regards itself as a form of fiction, not objectivity at all. I think you'll find the new politics is in the same position.